Meantime, the LA County Board of Supervisors is seeking to improve access to vaccines for its most vulnerable communities. NBC4's Beverly White has more on efforts and challenges to make equity part of vaccine protocols.
I'm hearing more and more stories of people coming from outside of the district into the district to take the supply, and that's wrong.
Congresswoman Natalie Barragan wants state and LA County Public Health to release the race, ethnicity, zip codes, and jobs of everyone vaccinated so far. She says the current system blocks many minority, poor, and elderly people.
We had one constituent in Southgate had to take 3 buses just to get to a site to get a vaccine. We have other people who don't have access to the internet, so they'll be on hold for 3 hours just to be told they have no appointments to try again the next day.
This letter Barragan sent today, co-signed by 5 California congressional Democrats, spells out why vaccine equity cannot wait.
Our older Americans who have called and said, I don't have access to the internet, or I get in, I can't get an appointment.
Next week, the feds will open and staff a vaccination site at Cal State LA with drive-up and walk-up access for Latino neighbors. The chair of LA County's Board of Supervisors says more is needed, like rerouting buses to connect patients with vaccine sites faster.
The county, I believe, has a responsibility to partner with transportation operators, authorities, and companies to ensure community members, particularly those 65 and older, so that they can have access to the vaccine sites.
Congresswoman Barragan cites hopeful signs from the Biden administration.
They were going to increase vaccine shipments, and they were going to ship them to community health centers, which is all good news. But the reality is this started with the last administration. They didn't order all the doses when they had the opportunity to do so.
Barragan tells us more mass vaccination sites like Cal State LA are in the works, including possibly one in or near her South Bay district. She knows vaccine reluctance is real, but feels lack of access must be overcome. In East LA, I'm Beverly White, NBC4 News.